What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your Wi-Fi settings on MacBook Pro and for Macs. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing, click go and then go to folder and then search library. Once you do that, preferences will show up, click on it, and then we're gonna go back so we can show you guys. So preferences and then click enter. Once you do that, you're gonna find icons or a list. It depends. If you have them as icons, change it to as list and then go to system configuration. Once you do that, select that Apple that airport, that preferences, and we're gonna select that Apple Wi-Fi, that Wi-Fi, that message, that dash tracer, this one. So the first one we're gonna delete is this one. Click move to trash and then type your password. After that, we're gonna delete this one. And then we're gonna delete network interfaces. And the last one we're gonna delete is preferences. So once you guys do that, go to the trash and empty the whole trash. After that, go to the Apple icon and click restart. So this method will make you fix or reset the Wi-Fi network settings, and it should fix any Wi-Fi issues you guys have. If it didn't fix the issue, please comment below this video so we can show you another method on how to fix your network issues, or network Wi-Fi issues. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to visit the official website, theinternetmoola.com. Thank you guys again. See you guys on the next video. Bye.